All of you. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to your English grammar class with Neetu Bhatia. In today's class we will be doing children part 2 video of sentences. In the part 1 video we have done what are sentences and what is the difference between the letter, words and the sentences, how words are formed, how sentences are formed. We have done that. In today's video we will be doing two kinds of sentences out of 4. First sentence we will be doing the statement sentence, which is also known as the assertive, declarative or statement sentence, and secondly we will be doing the interrogative sentence. In our next video I will be taking rest of the two sentences. Fine. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with our today's video, that is kinds of the sentences. Kinds of sentences. Now let's begin with our today's sentence, children. The first sentence, as I told you in your yesterday's class, that why we need to study the sentences. We need to study sentences so that we are able to identify what kind of sentence it is, as well as we can use our knowledge to write, speak and understand what the other person or we ourselves are writing or understanding. Okay, now let's start with the first topic, children. That the first is the assertive sentence. Now the assertive sentence, children, is also known as the statement sentence, and it is also known as the declarative sentence. Fine. You can call all the three words convey the same meaning, children: assertive, statement and declarative. Now what do we understand by the assertive sentence? Now the assertive sentence or the statement sentence is divided into two forms. One is the positive and another is the negative. Fine. Now first of all, before starting, let me tell you what are the assertive or the declarative sentences. When we talk a general statement, a normal statement, that is called the assertive sentence. Suppose if I say I will go to play with my friends, that is an assertive sentence, general sentence. I say my teacher is waiting for me in my class. It is a general sentence. My mother will go to shop tomorrow. Fine. So this is a general sentence. Now here all the three sentences which I discussed with you are in positive form. Okay, they all are in positive form. Now sentences can be both in the negative as well as in the positive form. Now let's take some example and try to understand it, children. Now, suppose if I take an example, I will play today. Okay, this is my first sentence. I will play today. This is my positive sentence. Now what is the indication that it is a sentence? That it will start with the capital letter, children, and it should have a correct punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Fine. Now suppose if I write it into the negative sentence. So how I will make it negative, children? When we add no, not, do not, okay, did not. In this way we convert the sentence from the positive to the negative form. Fine. Now suppose I will play today. So what will be the negative of this? I will not play today. I will not play today. So this will be my negative sentence. Now so let's take one more example, children. My mother will cook. My mother will bake a cake today. Okay. Now my mother will bake a cake today. It is a positive sentence. It is a general statement कि मेरी मम्मा आज केक बनाएंगी. She will bake a cake. It is starting with the capital letter, ending with a correct punctuation mark. You remember in the yesterday's class I have told you this COPS, 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 Corpse means capitalizing. O means organizing your words in a sentence, and P means children the correct punctuation mark, and S means the correct spelling in the sentence. Okay, now my mother will bake a cake today. The negative will be my mother will not bake the cake today. Okay, done and full stop. Fine. I like to eat noodles. Positive statement. I do not like to eat noodles. A negative statement. So all these are the general statements, the general examples that we talk in our day-to-day conversation. Fine. So this is called the assertive sentence, statement sentence, or declarative sentence. And one more thing, children, in assertive sentence, the sentence usually it starts with a pronoun or a noun. With a pronoun or a noun. See, here also you can see I is a pronoun, children. Okay? Mother is a noun here. So you can see. So it usually starts with a noun or a pronoun, children. Fine. Now next is the children. I hope I am clear with you, children. Now next is the interrogative sentences, children. What do you understand by interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means, children, when we are talking, when we are asking a question to someone, when we are framing a question to our subject or to the other person. So that is called the interrogative sentence. That is called the interrogative sentence. Now what do you understand interrogative sentences are, children? The question starting with WH, like why, when, where, okay, whom, whose, which, okay, all these questions, what, all these questions are the interrogative sentence. Fine. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? I have asked a question to someone. मैंने किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछा है. तो जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं किसी से, when we ask a question to someone, what is the punctuation mark that we use with it? The punctuation mark that we use at the end is this question mark. Fine. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. When will you come for the house party? Question mark. Where is your house? Question mark. Whom did you give the message? Question mark. Whose notebook is lying on the table? Question mark. Which is your favorite color? Okay, what is your favorite color or which is your favorite cartoon show? ठीक है, question mark. So when we are asking a question to someone, that is termed to be as an interrogative sentences, children. Fine. Now let's do some examples here, practice time, and understand the difference between both of the sentences. Here I have written few sentences. Let us quickly revise what we have done. Now from these sentences, children, you have to identify which is an assertive, declarative or a statement sentence, as well as you have to say it is a positive or a negative sentence. Secondly, you have to say which is the interrogative sentence in the sentence. Fine, let's start with the first sentence, children. The dress is too short. Now it's a general statement, children, कि मेरी dress बहुत छोटी है. The dress is too short. Fine. So what is this? This is an assertive sentence or a statement sentence or a declarative sentence, depending upon the books that you are studying. In some book it is written declarative as well. Fine. So now, and what it is? A positive sentence, no negative mark in the sentence. So this is my assertive and the positive sentence, children. Second, I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. Now see, I like to eat ice cream. This is a simple sentence, children. Fine. So what it is? It is my assertive sentence or my statement, it is general statement, children. See, it is starting with the pronoun. Here it is starting with a noun. Fine, I told you assertive sentence start either with a pronoun or a noun. Okay, this is my positive sentence. My parents will not come today. My parents, again a noun. My parents will not come today. Fine, it is a general statement कि मेरे parents आज नहीं आएंगे. So what it is? It is an assertive sentence and a negative sentence. Fine. When will you start your work? Now see, WH question. When will you start your work? And punctuation is question mark. So what does it mean, children? That I am asking a question to someone. So what it is, children? It is my interrogative sentence. It is my interrogative sentence. Next, I will not complete my work today. Fine. I will, a pronoun, will not complete my work today. Full stop. So what it is, children? It is an assertive and a negative sentence. Fine. When will you complete your work? All these three sentences are related to each other, children. See, I have framed it like this. When will you complete your work? Again a WH question, children, with a question mark at the end. So it is my interrogative sentence. Next, Rohan will complete it today. Okay, again my noun. Rohan will complete it today. No negative word in the sentence. A full stop here. So it is my assertive and a positive sentence. Fine. So by the end of this video, children, I hope you all are clear the difference between the interrogative sentence as well as the assertive sentence. When we ask a question to someone, that is an interrogative sentence, and when we state a general statement, that is a declarative or assertive or a statement sentence. I have some placards for you, children. Let us revise what we have done today. My first sentence is, we all play together. Okay, now here, children, we all play together. This is a general statement. Okay, we is my pronoun here, and at the end there is a full stop. So which sentence is this? It is an assertive sentence. Fine. Now next, I enjoy going to park. I enjoy going to park. Again, I is my pronoun here, children. At the end there is a full stop, and it's a positive sentence, and it is an assertive, declarative or a statement sentence. Now next see, I will go for picnic tomorrow. I will go for picnic tomorrow. Again a positive sentence, children, and this is a declarative, assertive or a statement sentence. Fine. Next, where did you lost it? Fine. Again a WH question. So what should come at the end here, children? Here a question mark should come at the end. So which statement is this? Which kind of a sentence is this, children? This is an interrogative sentence. Hope, children, you must have understood what I have taught today. Go through the content. In the next class I will be uploading the other video, part 3 video of the sentences, and with that we will be completing our kinds of the sentences. Fine. And if you are liking my videos, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please motivate me by giving more and more likes from your side, so that I am aware that I am in a right direction. And any comments, any suggestions, most welcome. Pleasure is all mine in that case. So it's all welcome, and you can write it in the drop box down, like in the comment section down. So take care of yourself, and see you soon. Stay connected and stay safe. Bye.